How to create neon white perspective text with reflection Canva. Let's get started. For that, I just went to ideogram.ai. You can go to pixels as well. So giving the simple prompt, and I will be pasting the prompt in the description as well. You can try this. Now it gave me this image. I'm using the magic prompt it gave me for this particular prompt, and I'm going to paste this magic prompt and generate the images. So let's try 4 more images. So these are looking pretty good, I guess. So this is the one I really like. I'm going to download this image. Now I'm going to take 1280 by 720 pixels of canvas. I'm going to take 2 copies of the same page. One I'm going to make this thing purple, other in the blue shades. I am going to take transform image tool. Over here I am going to upload the file neon vibes. Just write it, export it, and re-import it. Remove the background, you can use it. Now I'm going to flip this. This is the one we are going to make the reflection of. So for that you have to go to edit image, liquify, open, and then I'm going to try a couple of options. Whichever suits this particular text best, I'm going to use that. So I think the second option is pretty good. So you can try with the sliders. Actually it will work differently with all different text typefaces, so you have to try for yourself. So this is the Anton which I'm using, and the second one is going pretty well. So yeah, now I am going to lower the opacity, so definitely it will be a reflection. And the last but not the least, the step is you add a shadow. I just went to elements using the line shadow. It's very simple, easy, going behind this particular layer to add a shadow. So yeah, it's pretty much done. So if you want to add some more things, so you can add. In my case, I will be adjusting the color, hue, saturation, contrast. It's an optional step. After that, definitely I am using neon. So neon tubes or lines can give a better look. So I just wanted to use this. So it's almost done. This is your own neon by perspective text in Canva, and the other version is this blue. I really love it. Let me know in the comments if you like this and what you want to see next. Take care.